great addition to the kitchen. Easy to use, doesn't take up a lot of space, and the controls there are very simple and well organized. It didn't spill like other comments were made on the coffee maker. This one, I haven't seen it spilling, even though I put a small cups. Good addition.
All right, well, I'm gonna see if I can get a room for tonight, and I'll see you later. Yeah, sure.
This is the second time trying to brew a true cured K-cup. The first time it punched the holes in the K-cup and only water came out. And it would appear that that's what's happening again. I am using, let's see, Green Mountain K-cups. And I was choosing pumpkin, and there's not even a smell of pumpkin. Yes, that is the coffee maker. Yeah, the water is just water. That's sounds like a Subway.
This is my first cup of coffee with this machine. I am very, very not impressed.
Yep, just got this thing. Plugged it in. Doesn't do anything. That's all I'm getting. And I have to send this garbage back.
It's called the Compass Project. The first of 4 albums drops on January 27th. Here's the first listen from that. It is Never Have I Ever.
Okay, so press the button right there, and I have it on 12 ounces. I have water in there. I just put a new K-cup in there. All right, have my cup ready for takeoff, but let's see. Oh, it cut off again. Let's try it again. It's gonna sound like it's doing something. It always does, but nothing ever happens. Really sounds like it's fixing to do something. Gets you all excited. And boom, it cut off again by itself.